Hello everyone! Today I am making beet and lemon hummus. Our Detroit dark red beets are incredibly sweet and are perfect for this recipe. Coat one beet in olive oil and roast it for 1 hour at 400 degrees or until it is fork tender. You will need tahini, a 15-ounce can of garbanzo beans, the juice and zest of 2 to 3 lemons, garlic, olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Once your beet has cooled, peel off the skin and add it to the food processor and blend it with all the other ingredients. Spread your hummus in a bowl and add your toppings.